This is a Mercedes S124 220TE. As you can see, the rear end is quite rotten. I was quite surprised to see a car in this condition because they're normally quite solid. It looks like the rust had been missed by the MOT station, and the owner brought it to us to deal with. That's the rear subframe mount. As you can see, it's rotten away. There's hardly any there. I'm surprised the car wasn't shaking or vibrating or making noises when he was braking, but here we are. That's the rear frame. As you can see, we've cut it back to reveal more rust. We'll deal with that later. So here's a small repair before we got in with the rest. And we fabricated the rear mount there, welded it in with 2mm steel, which is what the factory used. Get some strength back into this car. And that's shiny new steel. All welded in, but welded. There's a section we missed, where we did deal with it. And we butt welded a plate in there. We didn't take any photos, unfortunately, but this is the finished product on the other side, where we've undersealed it. It's had the welding all seam sealed, painted, and now undersealed. We use 3M underseal, so it's a one coat finish. You just put it on thick, just make sure that there's no gaps, and hit it from two directions, and it's all good to go. Now this will be dried in 24 hours, and we can start installing the brake lines and the hydraulic lines. And as the hydraulic lines are no longer available from Mercedes, it's something we've had to fabricate ourselves. If you need that service, get in touch. We would need your old lines, as we need the fittings to braze onto new pipes. I think it's safe to say that the owner will be very happy to get this vehicle back in such a good condition now, knowing it's solid. I'm happy with this work. It's turned out nice.